How's everyone doing today? We got our hands on the Roku Express 4K Plus, which is Roku's new budget-friendly model that offers some surprisingly good features at a very affordable price. With its reliable Wi-Fi connection, ergonomic remote control, and voice assistant search capabilities, and support for advanced HDR formats at around $30, the Express 4K Plus is one of the most sought-after streamers currently on the market. But can it really deliver high-end results, or is this just another hyped-up product? And after you get it, what can you expect from daily use? The setup for the Roku Express 4K is intuitive, and it conveniently includes everything you need in the box. It plugs into your TV using the HDMI connection, and it relies on a micro USB cable for power. To get started, you can either sign into your account or create a Roku account. Then, you use your network information to connect. You can also download the Roku Companion app and pair it easily with your Express, which lets you use your phone as a remote, enable private listening mode, and play content. It's also easy to download apps, but you do need to sign into your preferred services manually. It has a simple, unobtrusive design that's meant to sit flat underneath your TV or beside an entertainment console, but it's larger than the other dongle-like devices such as the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. It's also extremely lightweight, so it can be somewhat frustrating trying to find the optimal position, though you do get the slick double-sided adhesive that helps you stick it in place. It also lacks an Ethernet input, and it has a limited selection of ports, which only include the HDMI port, the micro USB input, and a small reset button. It utilizes an internal antenna for wireless connectivity, and it features a dual-band Wi-Fi technology that delivers a fast, reliable signal even with a crowded network. I think the Roku OS X provides a user-friendly experience, plenty of useful features, and a responsive performance with no noticeable lag or stuttering while buffering. It's a simple interface that allows you to organize your apps to your taste, but it lacks the content curation abilities of some of the competitors. It's important to know that you do get comprehensive support for over 4,500 apps, and that includes most of the major streaming services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, HBO Max, YouTube, Disney+, etc. It also has the free Roku channel that offers its own selection of content, and it has the featured free section that conveniently shows you what's free to watch on your downloaded services, which is perfect for cable cutters. I also appreciated the new Instant Resume feature that restarts content where you left off when you reopen an app, but each service utilizes it differently. It's also nice that it supports AirPlay 2 so that iOS users can conveniently mirror their screens or stream content directly to the Express, and while Android users do miss out on the similar benefit, they can still stream content through the companion app. It's a capable streamer that delivers a stunning 4K picture at up to 60 frames per second with vibrant, lifelike colors and outstanding detail on compatible TVs, although this does depend on the app and your internet connection. It also supports HDR content in HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG to deliver impressive viewing experience that lives up to the hype. While I was disappointed that it lacks support for Dolby Vision and Atmos, it supports an Atmos pass-through to provide cinema-level audio. If you're looking for an alternative with built-in Atmos support, the Roku Streaming Stick Plus offers an immersive soundscape, a higher-end specifications, and more sophisticated wireless technology, but it is more expensive and otherwise it offers very similar functions. It also has an upgraded remote that provides plenty of utility. You should know that unlike older models, the voice remote is network-based, so it reliably registers commands no matter which direction you hold the remote. It offers a solid array of controls, including basic navigation buttons, controls for power and volume, a button to enable voice controls, 4 hotkeys for convenient access to Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV+, and Hulu. It even has built-in support for the Roku Assistant, so you can search for content using only your voice, but it's not a fully fledged voice assistant, so it can't control your other smart devices. If you're looking for an alternative device with a high-end voice assistant, the Fire TV Stick 4K offers robust Alexa voice commands and Dolby Vision capabilities, but it lacks the AirPlay 2 support and it aggressively promotes Amazon's own content. Overall, you should know that the Roku Express 4K Plus is a quality streamer that offers an impressive performance considering the price. With its outstanding 4K picture quality, the ability to stream from nearly any service, and the AirPlay 2 support for Apple users, it makes sense that this is one of the most highly regarded streamers on the market. Is it perfect? Not quite. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus offers a more powerful performance, and the Fire TV Stick 4K has a better voice assistant capability and Dolby Vision support. However, the Roku Express 4K Plus offers a lot of functionality for less money, and it has a decent processor and a very ergonomic remote. All things considered, I think the Roku Express 4K Plus is worth the buy if you want to save some money, and the performance definitely lives up to the hype. but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, be sure to check out the description. And if you guys learned something, or you found this video helpful, be sure to give the video a like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.